Welcome to Gizmochina, I'm Kieran. Today we finally got our hands on the Vivo X60 Pro Plus. The X series phones have always led Vivo's flagship lineup, and as the latest model in this flagship series, the Vivo X60 Pro Plus comes with all the features you would expect from a top-end 2021 device. It represents the most powerful model from the brand in the first half of 2021. So, let's see what the phone has to offer. In today's video, we will only focus on what lies beyond its photography prowess. This is because we're dedicating the next video to its camera performance, where we'll bring in the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra for comparison. It will be a really interesting camera shootout, as the S21 Ultra is one of the best camera flagships of 2021. So we'll get to see how Vivo's most powerful camera flagship compares to the best in the market. So if you want to see the camera comparison, remember to subscribe to our channel. The X60 Pro Plus comes in a very large box. Not only does it come with a clear case and a pair of headphones inside, but the charger and the charging cable are not missing either. The maximum power output of the charger is 55 watts. We'll talk more about its fast charging later. In early 2020, Vivo's brand slogan became camera and design. The X60 Pro Plus continues the family's design. The phone is 9.1mm thick and weighs 190 grams, and the rectangular camera housing is typical Vivo design. This time the X60 Pro Plus does not have a glass version, so both colors are in vegan leather. While the vegan leather looks more subdued, it is also more prone to getting dirty and also harder to clean. So I wish Vivo had offered at least one glass version in addition to the leather options. The X60 Pro Plus comes with a curved 6.56-inch 1080p screen. The refresh rate is 120Hz and the touch sampling rate is 240Hz. The highest brightness is also visible outdoors, but not as good as Mi 11. The left and right curved sections are also larger, but the edges have a high rate of mistouches. But the good news is that you can tweak the sensitivity of both the edges to reduce such accidental touches. Vivo's new Origin OS has also redrawn all the icons, and personally, I find the design changes pretty appealing. Overall, the phone looks great from the outside to the inside without too many overbearing design elements. If you're buying it for its looks or its thin and light feel, we can give you the green signal. But the good hands-on feel does come with a couple of drawbacks. It doesn't have wireless charging and only has a single speaker at the bottom. The Vivo X60 Pro Plus features all the standard flagship 2021 specs, which include the Snapdragon 888, UFS 3.1, and LPDDR5 RAM. The Antutu 3D benchmark and Geekbench 5 tests are also at the usual Snapdragon 888 levels. Now let's look at the gaming performance. The PUBG runs close to 60 FPS throughout without any issues when running stressful games like Genshin Impact. To be honest, its performance is surprising. Very low frame rate fluctuations and about 11 minutes to start underclocking. Considering its position as a flagship of photography, such gaming performance is already a sight to behold. It's rather the power consumption that is a bit of a worry. Playing one game of PUBG consumes 10%, while Genshin Impact consumes 19% in half an hour, and half an hour 1080p video playback consumes 6%. Apart from the fact that the Snapdragon 888 consumes too much power under high load, the limited 4200 mAh battery capacity also adds to its battery woes. The solution Vivo offers is 55-watt wired fast charging. It takes 10 minutes to charge 26%, half an hour to charge to 70%, and 53 minutes to complete 100% charging. This isn't the fastest charging speeds we've seen, but it's still pretty quick. At this point, you might be thinking that this phone is too mediocre. It's not much of a showstopper except for its good looks, but do note that its biggest highlight is its camera system. Since we just got our hands on this phone, we can't wait to show you how powerful it is. But stay tuned to our channel and we'll be uploading a review of its camera system soon. Only then will you be able to conclude whether the Vivo X60 Pro Plus is worth buying. So that's it for today. This is Kieran from Gizmochina. We'll see you soon.